Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have some exciting new fragrance mist from Athena Club. So I'm going to be sharing my thoughts and kind of like first impressions on these 4 mists that I have here. I believe there's more of them as well. I need to go check them out because these 4 right here, I am so in love with. So if you would like to know my thoughts and my first impressions on these hair and body mists, just keep on watching. So I was not planning on filming this video, but I love these so much and I would like to get more in detail, and I was already filming a pretty long perfume haul. I felt like it was going to be left all the way at the end and maybe some people wouldn't even see it. So I talked about those quickly in that haul, but today I want to actually go one by one and kind of talk about them with you guys. So not too long ago, I got added to the Athena Club PR list and I was not too familiar with the brand, but I did want to try their new products. They did send me, it was like a razor kit with an in shower oil shaving gel or something like that, and the scent of that was so amazing in the shower. It smelled so good. It filled up the whole shower. I remember just falling in love with the scent and thinking I would love a perfume that smelled like this. Fast forward, I received a package, and when I opened this package, I shared it in an unboxing on Instagram, a PR unboxing, but it was just so beautiful and I instantly got so excited over this collection. Just the presentation of it, the way that the notes sounded, everything is so good. So I'm going to start off today with Love Letter, and here is the packaging for these body mists. They have a little cloud on top, which makes them super cute and also friendly for like any teenagers or anyone who wants to get into fragrance. They're not juvenile, so keep that in mind. So Love Letter is velvety iris, pink pepper, and creamy woods. Well, before I get into the notes in here, just wanted to read this really quickly so that we have a little bit of information on them. Introducing Athena Club's Hair and Body Mist, our curated collection of scents designed to be effortlessly layered, collected, and styled to suit your mood. So they are available at Target and also at athenaclub.com. Here we have Love Letter. Main notes are velvety iris, pink pepper, and creamy woods. I love these bottles. They tell you all of the notes in the back, which is so convenient, especially for us who create content. We don't have to be searching for the notes because they're right here. So the top notes for this one are spiced pink pepper, pink rose, and pear. The middle note is velvety iris, muguet, and watery jasmine, and the base is amber, musk, and creamy woods. Here is the way that it sprays out, and this one is perfection for like going to eat dinner somewhere to layer with like your date night perfumes, or if you're a more sensitive person and perfume is too much for you, this is perfect to go on a date if you prefer body mist because it has a sexy, inviting smell to it. It almost smells unisex in a very sexy way. It's probably not the one that I would gravitate towards first, but I appreciate this because I am one of those people who is very sensitive with those very sexy, strong scents that have a lot of patchouli, a lot of amber. This one has musk, creamy woods, amber. I just feel like this is really nice. For it being a body mist, it is getting stronger on the skin. I'm starting to smell it more and more, and it is starting to get a little warm on my skin. The florals in here are very sexy, and there's almost like a dark vibe to this, but not too dark and not too dirty smelling patchouli or anything like that. There's actually no patchouli in here, which is great. So yeah, this one I would give it like a 8.5, 9 out of 10. And for it being a body mist is just super impressive because it smells really good. Next up, we have Salted Sunset. Now this one is the one that I have been wearing literally nonstop. I've been wearing it for bed. During the day, I just pick it up and put it on. This one is Salted Sunset. The main notes are caramel, coconut, milk, and pistachio. I love those notes. So the notes for this fragrance mist, top we have cherry and pistachio. Middle notes we have almond, coconut milk, and cedarwood. And in the base we have vanilla, salted caramel, sandalwood, and musk. This one is so good. I mean, it kind of reminds me of Sol de Janeiro scent, but there's something about this that is so addicting. It's a little softer, and I feel like in this one I'm getting more of like that coconut milk vibe. It's a little bit more like tonic. I'm getting the nuttiness. I'm getting that sweet caramel. This one's perfect, I think, for year round. For summer, it will just make you smell like you have like tan bronze skin. It's like golden hour to me or something. It smells so good. definitely 10 out of 10, probably 15 out of 10 for this one. It's literally like a mermaid, like a bronze goddess. You can layer this with all of those beachy scents like Alien Goddess, like Coconut Sun, like that new Lore fragrance that I got that smells kind of like ocean. This is perfect for that. Perfect. Up next, we have Golden Vanilla, and the main notes for this one are vanilla cream, cashmere, and sandalwood. And I'm gonna read all of the notes. So there is shredded coconut, almond paste, and Himalayan sea salt. I love how unique and different they are. Like, yes, we've smelled these notes before, but just the combination of notes in these, it's hitting the right spot. So middle notes, we have milky chocolate, vanilla ice cream, and vanilla orchid. Base, we have sensual tonka bean, warm amber, and sweet woods. What is there not to like? Oh my god, this one is so good. Okay, this one reminds me of I know it's called Velvet Vanilla from like the Power Mist or something like that, which was a body mist that I was really loving, and then all of a sudden the sandalwood just took over and I had to stop using it. And this is kind of reminding me of this one, but without the sandalwood taking over. I actually pick up on the almond paste, how it's like a little like tonic. I pick up on the vanilla ice cream right now, the tonka bean. It is perfect for those of you who are gourmand lovers. This is like the perfect base to any gourmand perfume. It will match with any gourmand scent. That's how good this smells. It's so good. This one is, to me, 9.5 out of 10. Only reason I say 9.5 is because I'm hoping that the sandalwood does not take over in this one, or the amber. We shall see with time. And then last but not least, we have Amber Hours, which is this really pretty purple bottle. This one has main notes of creamy gardenia, vanilla, and amber. The top notes are raspberry leaves, frothed milk, and cinnamon stick. Middle is fluffy gardenia petals and Madagascar vanilla bean, and the base is golden amber, cedar wood, and toasted sandalwood. Even the ones that I don't think are for me, this is so good. I kind of picture myself wearing this one like for bedtime or just lounging around the house. There's something about this one that's making me kind of think that it's relaxing, and it's kind of making me think of the Noise Only Human Milky perfume, which I'm going to be talking about soon, and it's included in my favorites because it already made it to my favorites. I'm going to film that also. This smells like it would be amazing with that milky fragrance underneath. This smells kind of like that. The raspberry in here is really soft. It's not obnoxious. The cinnamon stick, not strong at all. It's just a very soft, woody scent. And I really like this one. This one, I'll give this one a 9 out of 10. It's one that I would wear and I wouldn't get a headache, and I would probably end up absolutely loving because it smells really good. Now, my favorite ones for sure are the Golden Vanilla and the Salted Sunset. These two are top for me. But I did see that they have more of them, so I do want to go to Target and see if they have them available at the store so that I can smell them. This collection, in my opinion, is totally worth it. I love that it's easy to get your hands on these, and you can just literally get them from Target, or you can get it directly from their website as well. And I feel like they are just amazing body mist. I'm so excited for them. Thank you so much to Athena Club for sending these over. This video is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to talk about these. I just wanted to give my review. This is my initial thoughts though. I do want to let them sit and see how they work on performance, how long they last on me, all of that. But to be able to do that, I do need time to test them out, layer them, have fun with them, and then I will report back if they end up being total favorites. But I do want to hear your thoughts. If you have tried these already, or if you're interested in trying them, let me know. With that said, that's going to be it from me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Athena,